Hi, I'm Tony Studi, Welding Program Director at Madison College, and I've been asked to share a little bit of information about the welding program with incoming students. Welcome to my basement. Starting with our faculty, we have an experienced faculty with well over 100 years of combined and diverse experience. Myself, I've got 30 years of experience as a welder fabricator and a welding instructor, and I'm a Madison College welding graduate. We've got John Roach, who has 48 years of experience as a fabricator, welder, custom vehicle builder and restorer, and instructor. We've got Ben Newcomb, who has 23 years of experience as a welder fabricator, welding supplies sales professional, welding engineer, and welding instructor. And Ben is also a Madison College welding graduate. And we've got Sean Walker, who has 23 years of experience as a welder, a welding supervisor, welding manager, and welding instructor. A little bit about our program. Our program features focused hands-on training. The welding program is designed for experiential learners. Approximately 70% of the training time is dedicated to in-shop training, and the program is 2 semesters or 9 months in length. A little bit about our equipment. In the last 5 years, the Madison College welding program has upgraded all of the welding power sources used for instruction. The majority of the power sources currently being used feature synergic and microprocessor controls. These features simplify the power source setup process and allow students to spend more time building hands-on welding skills. Career options and potential careers after the Madison College welding program. You could be a welder fabricator, a welder fitter. You could go into an apprenticeship in the ironworkers, steam fitters, or sheet metal workers. You could be an inspector or a certified welding inspector. You could be a supervisor or fill a leadership position, or you could be an engineer or an educator. Job prospects and earning potential. In the next 3 years, 375,000 skilled welders are going to be needed. The average starting wage for 2018 graduates of the Madison College welding program was $17.77 an hour, or $35,895 per year. Wage increases of $1 to $2 per hour in the first year of employment are common. The average annual hourly wage for welders in South Central Wisconsin is currently $20.55 an hour. Welding program advising and registration. Ann McIntyre is the lead academic advisor for the welding and metal fabrication programs. Instructions and next steps from Student Development Retention Service have already been sent out to incoming students. The advising and registration process has now started to get students registered for the 2020-2021 term. Be responsive to all communications from Madison College. You don't want to risk losing your spot in the welding program. If you have questions, please contact Ann McIntyre or Tony Studi for clarification. And if everything goes well, we hope to see you in the fall. I hope this brief video was helpful, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and ask myself, Ann, or anybody in the ASET office at Madison College.